Okay, pass me the peach. All right, today, what are we making today? Well, today's going to be about the easiest that I've made so far, and that's okay. We are making peach Jell-O shots. You break out the Jell-O shots, you have a gathering at your house. They don't last long. Everybody loves them. And I suspect these peach ones are going to be fantastic too. And I'm going to use some of the peach liqueur we made on Monday, I think. And that's going to be the alcohol in that. All right, so what's the ingredients? We need 1 pack of the Jell-O mix. We need 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of your alcohol, okay? And that's it. And then I do have nice ripe peach here. I'm gonna cut up and I'm gonna put a little bit in some of the cups just for a little extra flavoring. All right, so let's get started. Wait a minute. First things first. Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Now we can get started. I hope everybody's enjoying past the peach week. I sure am. All right, well, let's get started now. So what we need is you basically follow the directions of the Jell-O, except, because it calls for a cup of boiling water and then a cup of cold water. The cup of cold water, we use alcohol instead, okay? All right, so we're just gonna put it in this here to mix it all together, so we want to put that in. Okay. So then and I guess the boiling water is for melting all the sugar, is what it's for. Ooh, it's hot. So we want 1 cup of boiling water. And we'll use a whisk, get that all dissolved and all that. And I got these little cups, but you can do whatever you want. Is it all dissolved? Okay. Like I said, this is going to be the fastest thing we've made so far. All right, so now we need 1 cup of our alcohol. Just a little extra for good measure. Right. Then mix this together. All right. And all we're going to do, I ain't sure how many of these little cups I need. We'll figure it out, won't we? All right, we're getting there. Looks like we're gonna get 6. All right, so we got 6 little nice cups. That's a little piece of peach in each one of them. It is, all the orchards got a lot of peaches right now. It is middle of peach season. And what I'm gonna do is I think, One little slice of peach in each one, just for looks. Put a lid on them. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's how hard it was to make peach shots. Now, you could put them in smaller cups, but that's a good amount, but you could use more packs. It's not like it's expensive. The peach is fantastic. Oh. Wow. So, then they just go in the refrigerator. They say 4 hours, overnight. I always like to give them overnight, then they're done. And I think it's going to turn out pretty fantastic. And we'll have them on tasting day. All right? So, again, I hope everybody's loving past the Peach Week. Like I said, it's been a lot of fun. I might have to try to get me a little bit of whipped cream for these. Wouldn't that be good? Oh, yes. A little bit of whipped cream. That sounds like a winner to me. All right. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.